Hello and welcome back. Today we've got CloudTrail, another powerful service for monitoring. So imagine you have your AWS account here and you have lots of things going on inside that account, which is represented by this gear icon. And then there are users, which can access your account. Users can access your account through the management console, through the CLI, or through the SDK. And also AWS services themselves, such as EC2, can do things on your account. So all of these pathways, for the three pathways for users and internal pathways for AWS services, there are ways that your account can be changed, modified, things can be adjusted inside. And CloudTrail, what it does, it is allows you to enable logging of all of that activity on your account. So previously we spoke about CloudWatch logs that tracks the status of different AWS services and resources. It tracks their state, like what state are they in, how is that state changing. Whereas CloudTrail is different. CloudTrail looks at who is doing what in your account. So it creates a trail so you can audit that and understand who made certain changes or what service made certain changes. So that's very important. And another way this can be described, and especially look out for this on the exam, is CloudTrail enables logging of all API calls. So all of these four pathways that we described, they're actually working through API calls in the background, and that is what CloudTrail is going to be logging and monitoring. By default, all log data is stored in CloudTrail event history for 90 days, where you can view it, search it, and download it. If you want to store your data for longer, you need to create a CloudTrail trail, and logs from a CloudTrail trail can be delivered to an S3 bucket where they can be stored indefinitely, and also they can be delivered to a CloudWatch logs log group where you can analyze them further if you like. Another thing to note is that CloudTrail is not a real-time service, and this could come up in the exam. CloudTrail data is captured and delivered with up to a 15-minute delay. So look out for trick questions about CloudTrail being a real-time service. Other than that, whenever you see something about monitoring activity on the account, logging and analyzing that activity, or logging API calls, think CloudTrail. So here's a quick summary of what we discussed. I look forward to seeing you back here next time. And until then, enjoy the cloud.